Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding or showing the notch on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap Notifications and Control Center. From the Control Center section, select Status Bar. In Status Bar settings, scroll down to the Notch section, then tap Hide Notch. You can now choose to not hide the notch or hide it without moving the status bar. Your notch settings have been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.